In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a background layer for your digital artwork. It's a simple but crucial step that ensures your artwork remains organized and easy to manage. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up your preferred design software and take a glance at the Layers panel. You want your background to be the base of your project, so let's create a new layer and slide it right to the bottom of your Layers panel. This means everything else you create will be positioned above this foundational layer. Now that you've set up your base layer, let's grab the Rectangle tool, which can be quickly accessed by hitting the M key on your keyboard. With this tool, you're going to draw a rectangle that perfectly matches the size of your artboard. This step is essential since the rectangle will serve as your canvas's background, providing a consistent and unified backdrop for your artwork. Next, let's give this rectangle some life by filling it with a color of your choice. You can select whichever color complements your overall design theme or sets the mood you want for your artwork. Feel free to experiment here because your background color can significantly influence the tone and effectiveness of the final piece. Once your rectangle is all set up with the perfect color, it's super important to ensure that this layer stays intact as you work on other elements. Accidentally moving it around can throw off your whole composition. So, it's time to lock that layer in place. Simply use the layer lock feature, or just lock the rectangle itself, to prevent any accidental shifts or changes. This way, you can focus solely on your main artwork without any distractions or mishaps. And there you have it. Your background is all set. With your base safely locked in place, you can now proceed with designing your artwork on the layers above. This approach not only keeps your work neat and tidy, but also gives you peace of mind, knowing that your background will always stay in place while you bring your creative vision to life. Remember, having a solid foundation for any digital art project is key, and what we've done today lays just that. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Now you're ready to delve into your next creative endeavor with confidence and a strong starting point. Happy creating!